is up, guys? You're watching this video because you want to learn just how you can go ahead and get free Google Play gift card codes. Now, these Google Play codes are pretty cool. You can use them on anything you want: music, movies, books, apps, whatever, anything that is available on Google. So these codes will sorry guys, I got a bit of a cough. These I hope it's not COVID, by the way. Anyway, these codes will credit your Google account and you can use it on anything you want, and it's actually super easy to do. So let me just quickly run through these steps and I'll give you a live demonstration. So basically, guys, we need to go to Gift Card Hero, and I'll show you this in a second. Click this button, follow the steps, select the gift card, complete verification, and then grab the code. So let's just run through these steps now. So grab your mobile phone, guys. You can do it on your desktop, but I recommend doing it on your mobile phone. It's just so much more simple. And we need to go to giftcardhero.net. So open up the internet, type it like that, and press go. And we're gonna go there now. Just load it up. Now we press menu, go to search. I'm just gonna type Google in, and there we go. Free Google Play gift card codes. Click that page. Now this is the step-by-step guide, but we're gonna skip through it. Need to click this green button, and this page is gonna load up. Now we need to scroll down, select the value of gift card you want, guys. You can get up to $250, so I'm gonna click that. Just give it 30 seconds whilst it searches. It connects to the database and searches for unused Google Play gift card codes that we can use. As you can see, it's doing the search now. This is pretty cool. Okay, so it successfully found us a code. We just need to unlock the remaining 4 digits. So we gotta press this show full Google code. Okay, so now there is a verification process that we need to complete, guys. Basically, this is to verify we're a real person, and Gift Card Heroes partnered up with these apps and surveys to ensure, to keep the code safe, pretty much. So we need to complete 2 of the offers below, and you can see there's a description below each offer that we need to do. So you just need to pick 2 that you think's gonna be the easiest. So I like surveys, I find them super easy, so I'm gonna do the one. And then I'll go back and do a second one as well. It's going to ask for my email address. Make sure you put in the correct email, guys, because this does verify you're a real person. So I'm going to do this, go back, do a second one, and I'll reconvene with you back. So I finished 2 of these surveys, making sure I followed the instructions on this page. Now, if you successfully do it, we go back. And there we go, it's released the full code. So this code will credit my Google account $250. These are one-time use codes, so you will need to go and get your own code, and you do that by following the steps in this video. And giftcardhero.net has all the information and has the link to get you this free code. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. You can save your money. You don't need to purchase Google Play gift cards anymore. Just follow this video and get your very own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.